So, hi everyone. I have today with me one of the source of inspiration for so many students, just because of simple reason that he belongs to a private medical college, and being in a private medical college, those students who are in these colleges, they can correlate very well what kind of pressure they have. Most of the time what people say and what they have internally going on in their mind. So I have with me Dr. Parag, who has scored score of 605 in this recently conducted exam, and we are expecting somewhere the rank should be somewhere between 2000 to 2500, right? Let me tell you in brief, guys. Last year he gave the same exam and he had the score of 30,000. The rank was 30,000, and a huge jump from 30 to almost 3,000. That's amazing. And the one person who has been behind all his success we have with us today, his mother. That's another proud moment for us. So let's listen from this superstar of the evening what exactly the plans he had in his mind and how he planned for it. So Parag, congratulations for this amazing score. So we want to hear from you how it all started, from where all you started thinking about the PGME scores and all. Please tell us about that.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Parag Dhingra. I've got a score of 605. I have completed my MBBS from Santosh Medical College. Yes, it is a private medical college, and I have faced all sorts of comments like तुमसे नहीं हो पाएगा, पापा के पैसे वेस्ट कर दिए. So my journey from 31,000 rank to 2300 rank has been a tough one, and I owe this to the Bhatia family. I am the first doctor from my family, so I had no guidance, and my teachers are like my mentors. They have made me who I am today. So I joined the Bhatias, the DBMCI's beginner batch, in my second year, and due to that I was able to score high in my professional examinations. I then started preparing for my NEET PG during my internship when I joined the TNT batch in Karol Bagh, Delhi. The staff was very cooperative, the faculties are exceptionally good, and also because I had the notes because of the beginners batch, I was able to complete major number of subjects before my first attempt. Sadly, my first attempt went in vain as I got a panic attack in the mid of the examination, and I started having all kinds of negative thoughts. In that attempt, all my friends got through. They got great ranks, and I was left all shattered. Special thanks to the faculties, and just not they are highly inspirational, they also keep motivating us, sharing beautiful videos on YouTube, which gave me a boost up, they gave me confidence, and I started preparing again after that. I then joined Fast Track TND batch at Patel Nagar, where we had twice a week test, 2 subject tests per week, and that was the first time that I realized, first, that I could strategize, secondly, that I could complete all 19 subjects within 2 months. So thanks again to the DBMCA family for building up this confidence. I then worked hard and I scored 4900 rank in INI CET July, and then I got 3000 rank in INI CET November, and now I've got almost 2300 rank, expecting a rank of 2300 in this NEET.
So Parag, that has been so kind of you. You are saying everything about DBMCA, but I want everybody to understand this, guys, that being from a private medical college, you always are under some sort of pressure, whether you will be able to do it or no. So he has done it. So if he can do it, you too can do it. That's not difficult. Okay. So let's understand how he strategized his studies, how he planned them. But before that, I would like to have a word from his mother, who has been, continuously after him. And now again, she's after him that you have to go for INI exam also. So ma'am, over to you. आप बताएं how it all started and
सर मेरी मदर का सपना था कि बच्चे ना डॉक्टर बने. मेरी मदर का सपना था बच्चे डॉक्टर बने, तो मुझे वही था कि तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स जो ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स चाहते थे ना, तुम वही करो. तो बड़ा प्राउड फील होता है कि फैमिली में कोई है ही नहीं, सब बिजनेसमैन फैमिली है, तो उन्हें पढ़ाई वढ़ाई का इतना है नहीं. तो पर मुझे था कि मैं पढ़ाऊँ बच्चों को. उसके बाद जब इसका एग्ज़ाम ख़राब हो गया था पीजी का, तो ये पैनिक अटैक आ गया था, तो ये डिप्रेस्ड हो गया था. इसने आके बोला मैं प्राइवेट ले लूँगा, पर मैंने इसको बोला कि मैं ज़िंदगी भर तुझे लोन चुकाते हुए नहीं देख सकती, और मुझे तुझ पे बहुत विश्वास है कि मुझे पता है मेरे बच्चे में काबिलियत है, बस किसी कारण से तू कर नहीं पाया. तो इस वजह से मैंने इसको लेने नहीं दिया, पर इसको मुझ पे विश्वास नहीं था, पर मुझे इस पर बहुत विश्वास था कि कर लेगा, और आज इसने प्रूव कर दिया और हम बहुत 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 खुश हैं और भगवान का शुक्र करते हैं कि इस लायक हमें बनाया कि हमने अपने बच्चे को सही राह दे दी, कि इसका भविष्य अच्छा कर दिया हमने। थैंक यू।
सी बेसिकली बट आई वुड से मैम, ये एक माता पिता जो होते हैं ना, वो एक बच्चे के पहले गुरु होते हैं. सो इट ऑल स्टार्ट्स एट होम ओनली. तो आप लोगों ने जो मेहनत की, नाउ ही इज सिटिंग हियर विद अस. इट इज ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ नॉट DBMCA दैट ही इज सेइंग DBMCA ने ये किया, ऐसा किया. DBMCA has played a very small role. It is you. जो घर से आपने चीज़ें दी, परवरिश दी, एंड देन यू वर आफ्टर हिम कि पढ़ाई करो एंड यू विल गेट इट. सो आपका भरोसा था इस पे. दैट इज व्हाट ही हैज अचीव्ड. ओके, सो सी गाइज, यू नो आफ्टर यू नो दैट प्रोवर्ब कि behind every successful man there is a woman. So here we have the woman, right, the mother. So proud parents, I can understand this point. So Parag, now for all the students,
Yes, sir.
how did it begin? From where you started thinking about the PG? You were the 3-year foundation course student of Delhi.
Yes, sir.
Why you joined coaching? Who forced you to join coaching?
So I was, I'm thankful enough that I had a group, studious group. We 3-4 friends joined the coaching, and Ashish sir, he told us about DBMCI. We came here and we loved the classes. That face-to-face feeling is different. The teachers are really good here. And so back then I was not too serious, but then during the internship, I started facing the heat when I gave the grand test and mock tests. I did not score really good back then. But after my when I dropped again, and then I started getting great marks, and it was my parents' dream that I do a specialty, and yes, they have been the backbone. I might not mention it because I mention it in separate. I mention that at home, but they have really been the backbone. I'm sitting here today. That's only been possible because of them.
Yeah, that's absolutely true. So Parag, basically when you started, so one thing that every student feels like when they're starting from the second year.
Yes, sir.
So like you started, so did you started making the notes from the very beginning?
Yes, sir. So I started making notes in the classroom. I revised them after when I went home, and then I started revising those same notes during the TND, test and discussions. And yeah, they were really helpful. I had most of the notes for second, third, and fourth year, so I revised them. I just kept adding things which I learned in the tests or in the MCQs. I kept adding things to my notes, and yeah, that was really helpful because also they were handwritten, so it was really helpful. I could recall everything very well.
Yeah. So basically I want to just inform everybody, see, understand this point. There are so many things available in market. You can have the ready-made things. You can make them by your own hand. So whenever you are making the notes by your own self, oneself, that is the best content you have, because you know on what part of what page, on what corner you have mentioned what point. So when you are sitting in the exam and that particular question comes, that will strike in your mind that yes, I had this point in my notes. That is one. Okay, so Prakhar, when you were giving the test, you told us that when you gave the first INI, the score was not that good. You got a rank of some 4900 something,
4900, yes, sir.
and then you improvised it to 3000.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So when you were giving the test,
Yes, sir.
what strategy you had that initially you started giving the test, you might not be performing that well, but then gradually I believe that it started improving. What was your strategy that after giving a test, if I'm not scoring well, what should I do? How we have to improve it?
So my only strategy was to focus on my weaknesses, and I analyzed the grand test very seriously. I noted down my mistakes and the topics that I was weak in, and I kept working on them. And I would take out any 3 subjects, my weakest subjects from every grand test, and I would read them for next week. So that really helped me improve my score.
Okay. So initially, guys, he got a score of 30,000, the first NEET exam that he gave. And this time he got almost close to 2300, 2500, somewhere. We are expecting that he'll be getting some rank less than 2500. The journey definitely is not an easy one. It would have taken a lot of sleepless nights and whatnot, When you are giving the test, this is one important point. Please highlight it and please make, this point fixed in your mind that how you have to improvise and give the test. Whenever you are going home, please find your weaknesses like he did. Work on them. 1 subject, maybe 2 subject, maybe 3 subject, and that's how you can improvise the score of the grand test. Okay. Prakhar, when you were, a part of the Delhi batch,
Yes, sir.
one person that I know personally who is after all the students of Delhi all the time, Anu ma'am.
Yes.
You know, what you would like to mention about her, because you know she has the day I've been associated with DBMCA for almost now 7-8 years. From the day one I saw her and today when I see her, she is full with same energy. So let's hear from the student of Delhi that what role does she plays whenever any student joins the Delhi batch.
So I have completed 2 sessions of Vibe.
Okay.
And Vibe, as always, has been brilliant. This was the first time that I missed the Vibe session because I was preparing for some other exam. I missed the Vibe session. I requested ma'am if I could give the tests, the mock tests that happen after Vibe, the image-based test and the normal test. So I requested her and she gave me a free ID this time. And she only said, I hope you make us proud this time. This was such a beautiful gesture from her side. And she was the first one that I texted. Ma'am, I have jumped from 30,000 to 2,300. She was the first
Perfect.
one.
So I'm sure, Anu ma'am, if you're watching us, you would be definitely proud to have a student from Delhi batch like this. Okay. Prakhar, now what message you would like to convey to those students who actually, you know, you had the first episode, the first NEET that was not good, which I tell every student, you take first one as your practice match.
Yes, sir.
Second one, you should go well prepared and you should have the zeal that I'll win it. What would you like to communicate to those students who have given the exam for the first time this year and who are having this hesitation in my mind, I don't know whether I'll be able to do it next time or no? What would you like to tell them?
So as Rajat sir once said, Dr. Rajat sir once said, if you can find the lacunas in your preparation, you're good to go. Find the lacunas, work on them. Do not keep gathering multiple things. Focus on your source. Don't go here and there. This app is good, that app is good. Focus on your source. Trust your teachers. Everyone is brilliant here. You have to do the hard work and you'll
Exactly.
get through.
Yeah. So teachers will always be same, but it is you who has to find yourself. It is you versus you every day. So if you improvise every day, you know, you are going to get it. Okay. So now you are one such bunch of student. When you started with DBMCI, you were in the second year
Yes, sir.
and you had access to live classes, right? Now you know that we have got a eGurukul app also.
Yes, sir.
What would you like to recommend to the students? That some of the students ask me, sir, if I read only from eGurukul app, is it going to do? Or should I try to make my own notes? What is your take on that?
Sir, I think offline classes are always better than online classes. But then eGurukul app is also great. I studied from eGurukul app this year, and the GTs, the new eGurukul app, the updated version is awesome. And you can ask doubts directly. They reply you within 12 hours. So yes, I think both of them provide you with the same material, the same grant test, the same subject-wise test, and I think it saves a lot of time, traveling time too.
Yeah.
So both have their own pros and cons, but it all comes down to your preparation, and the teachers are the same, so it works well.
But you have always kept your own notes
Yes,
while
sir.
looking at the apps.
So even from eGurukul app, after watching videos, you will make your own notes, so it's good. And
Okay.
also, if you take ready-made notes, they are so crisp and concise, so it works both the ways.
Okay. Any faculty that you think, you know, you were connected with and all the time, other than Anu ma'am obviously, any faculty that you think, you know, was exceptionally well while you were planning all your strategies for PGME?
Sir, I would like to mention, I would especially thank Dr. Rajat sir. He has been a source of motivation and he has kept uploading beautiful motivational videos on YouTube that really helped me to stay on the track.
So Rajat sir, you have another one with us. Okay, so that's so fantastic. Even we are so glad to have him, you know, with us. He's such a source of motivation for so many of us also. Okay. For the students who are giving the exam for the first time, what would you advise? The NEET exam, it is, you know, expected that the April is the month where we are going to have the NEET exam of 2022. What is your message to them, those who are giving the exam for the first time?
Just stay focused, just stay on track. I think we have had enough time to study. You will get 6 months, but I hope you're ready with your notes. Just keep studying, have faith in yourself, you'll get through.
Okay, perfect. So everybody, please stick to the schedule, stick to the guidelines that you have made for yourself, and surely you are also going to make it in the year 2022 for sure. Okay. How much role do you think, you know, NEET exam 2020 and 2021? There was a lot of difference.
Yes, sir.
NEET 2020 was a question paper of 300 marks, 300 questions, and this time 200 questions. Before the exam, they announced that there is going to be a change in the pattern of questions. You know, what was your mental status at that time? Initially, first year में मेरा 30,000 score था, and now suddenly they have changed the pattern. Will I be able to make it or no? So what kind of thoughts you were having that time in your mind?
So I was really happy about the change in pattern. I have always had time issues while completing the paper, so I was really happy that the questions got reduced to 200. The only problem was that we would be getting more clinical scenarios. But then after the blow I got in NEET 2020, I prepared myself really hard. And the DBMCI grant test, which they prepared me for the toughest possible exam, I would say. So yes, I was totally prepared. I prepared myself with the 200 pattern tests, and yes, I was happy about the change.
That's great. So somebody is happy that 300 converted to 200 and his preparation was going well according to that. That's so good. Okay, how much do you think, clinical part, the clinical postings are going to play a role looking at the paper that we had this time in the year 2022, how much role they are going to play?
So they play a great role because the recent change in pattern of the questions, they mostly focus on integrated learning, integrated questions. So yes, if your clinics are good, you are going to perform really well.
Okay, that's so good. So please be attentive in your postings, in your wards, and try to learn as many as things from your patients. Questions are everywhere. You just need an eye and the things in your mind to see those questions, right? So analyze them, learn them, and improvise yourself every day. Okay. So Prakhar, what are the plans now? INI? Ma'am, you will be after him for INI.
Yes, I'll prepare for INI.
Okay.
And I'm happy with my score.
Okay. So even if you're happy, the mother is after him that he has to give the INA exam. That's so good. We all have to be working all the time. That's fantastic. Okay. So what PG branch you have thought of taking?
So I love orthopedics.
So orthopedics is going to get, that's for sure.
And
So
you are an inspiration. I'll choose orthopedic.
that's so good to hear that. But these are the students who actually make us proud. It feels like that it is my result that has come again, and he is going to take orthopedics. So again, a PG life I'm going to live. So that's so cool that we have students who make us feel proud, right? So Prakhar, so congratulations again, and wonderful journey you had, right? And I'm very much sure from the DBMC family, I congratulate you, and I can just say that best wishes to you for your futures also, right? All the endeavors that you are going to do. So this is something, he's a source of inspiration. I can genuinely tell you guys, the ups and downs that a student can have when you have nobody educated from the family, when the parents are after you, that you have to become something, because we have not read, we are not educated, we don't have certificates, so you have to do it. The power, the blessings of the parents, this is something that make us what we are today. And we have a live example in front of us today, right? So such a big family, nobody educated, and now they have got 2 kids, and both of them, other student, his sister is also doing MBBS. So she is again a topper of college. So that's something very inspirational. And now cracking the exam in the very second attempt, and that too with so many, ups and downs, COVID going on, and nobody knows the exact pattern and what's going to happen. So that's something amazing, right? So thank you so much for being with us, and thank you so much for, giving such good, lovely piece of advices to everybody.
Sir, I have a last message for
Sure.
upcoming aspirants. Am I allowed to speak?
Yeah,
in
why
Hindi?
not? Yeah, bilkul.
This has always worked for me, so I wanted to share it. तू दौड़ में अव्वल आए, ये ज़रूरी नहीं. तू सबको पीछे छोड़े, ये भी ज़रूरी नहीं. ज़रूरी है तेरा दौड़ में शामिल होना. ज़रूरी है तेरा गिर कर उठ खड़े होना. ज़िंदगी में बहुत से मकाम आएंगे, जो आज आगे हैं कल वो पीछे छूट जाएंगे. ज़रूरी है तेरा लड़ते रहना, और उससे भी ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है तेरा आगे बढ़ते रहना. Thank you.
That's so good. That's so good. Wonderful, wonderful. I'm so glad. So this is he. That's what I'm saying. He's a source of inspiration, and you all can use him, as an inspiration, and you all can crack it. Believe me, guys, it's not difficult, right? Everybody is doing it, so you too can do it.
Yes.
It's not difficult. It's just a matter of time. Maybe it was not your day this time. Next time, it is going to be your day. Definitely, that will come. Okay, so keep moving. Let's keep working and just have the zeal that I am going to achieve it. Surely, we are going to win. There is no question mark about it, right? So thank you so much, everyone. And I hope that it works for everybody. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, Prakhar.